What are you making, Bash?
Hot dog. How to do that?
Wait,
His reaction.
let me move it closer, okay?
Don't touch the thing, okay? Careful not to touch the thing because it gets hot. Smells good, huh?
I don't want to. I don't want
touch it.
the
Don't
thing to
touch
go.
it. Remember,
I don't
just
want
move right
the
here.
thing to go with Dad.
Just move it.
It smells delicious.
Oh, don't touch it. Mommy got it.
It falls.
Mom, it's about to fall.
Hold it, mommy. Hold it down.
Alright, I'll hold
Now
it
with
for
this
you.
one?
Yes.
Is it hot or hot?
But Mommy, what are we gonna do with that measuring cup? We can make a cake with it. Or don't.
Oh, wait. We can put water.
Keep going, Tuppy.
You have to be quiet. I don't want to make a hot dog. I don't want to make it.
Good job, Papa.
Mommy, can I have a bread in it with that in? Just a tiny bit to put it. With the bread I put it? I leave it there?
And you have your bread.
I put it in there?
Gonna help. Okay, right here.
You take that spoon and I was burning me. It's burned.
It's burn you? Oh, sorry, puppy.
It's burned. That's why don't do that. Want to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You're not burning. You're fine. Good job.
Fix them.
You want to put one in your bread now?
Yeah. How to
Take
do?
one out.
Where put it?
Put
I'll
it
put it
inside
down.
your bread right here for your hot dog.
Okay.
Take one out.
I can't.
Together? Together. No, together.
I don't want to do this one.
You have to.
No.
Because you have to take it out.
I wasn't doing that.
Ah.
I want to make another one.
Yeah.
I want to. Can now we mine? I use Bastion. I think Bastion.
Give you another one.
Mommy, I want.
Put it down.
Put down.
Put down. The other way.
The other way. Mommy, I really want to cook again. Mommy, I want this to.
See, then pause it. You're talking.